In today's video, we are going to look at the 4-hour workweek and discover how to escape the 9-to-5, live anywhere, and join the new rich. Timothy Ferriss unveils the secrets to a fulfilling life with less work and more play. Ferriss introduces us to the new rich, also known as NR, a group that values time and freedom over mere monetary wealth, and also learn how to leverage the currency of the digital age, time and mobility. Redefine what success means to you. Break free from the deferred life plan and start living your dreams now. Ferriss teaches us to challenge the status quo and rewrite our own rules. Embrace the art of elimination. Ferriss guides us in decluttering our lives, focusing on essential tasks and eliminating time-consuming distractions for maximum efficiency. Discover the power of automation. Ferriss demonstrates how to outsource life's minutiae, automate income streams, and free up time to pursue your passions. Liberation from the 9-to-5 is within reach. Ferriss shows how to embrace remote work, become location independent, and create a flexible lifestyle that travels with you. Ferriss provides practical applications and tips for a 4-hour workweek lifestyle. Learn to negotiate remote work, streamline business processes, and become a master of productivity. Embrace the NR lifestyle. Redefine success, eliminate the unnecessary, automate tasks, and liberate yourself from traditional work boundaries. Action point: delegate or automate one task this week and feel the difference. Transform your life with the lessons from the 4-hour workweek. Join the ranks of the new rich and live a life full of freedom, purpose, and adventure. Start your journey today.